Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad pasta easy method. Start by boiling 8 ounces of pasta and prepping ingredients while it cooks. Rinse pasta under cold water and drain well, then chop crisp vegetables and crumble cheese. Whisk a simple dressing with olive oil, vinegar, salt, and a touch of mustard. Toss everything gently, chill briefly if desired, and serve fresh for a light, satisfying meal. Gather your ingredients and measure portions before you start. It makes the process smooth and relaxed. Choose sturdy pasta shapes that hold dressing, like rotini or penne, and pick crisp vegetables that won't wilt. Prepare optional add-ins such as olives, nuts, or herbs to layer flavor. Keep cold ingredients chilled until mixing, and taste the dressing so you can adjust acidity, salt, and sweetness for a perfect balance. Toss pasta with dressing in a roomy bowl so every piece gets coated without getting mushy. Add delicate ingredients like herbs and soft cheese last to keep textures bright and fresh. If time allows, chill the salad for about 20 to 30 minutes so flavors settle and marry, but it's also great right away. Adjust seasoning just before serving and present with a wedge of lemon for brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.